Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today, 15 animal tongue twisters will challenge your speech and share simple lessons for life.
Some sounds may feel difficult at first, but practice will make them smoother.
Let's begin with the first 7.
Bold bears break bad habits.
Clever crows choose carefully.
Gentle giraffes grow gradually.
Patient penguins practice daily.
Focused falcons fly farther.
Strong spiders start again.
Honest horses hold their ground.
The first line I want to explore is bold bears break bad habits.
That one feels very real because bad habits are often easy to start and hard to stop.
Mine is checking my phone whenever I have a quiet moment.
Sometimes I unlock my phone and forget why I picked it up.
Breaking a habit usually begins with noticing when and why we do it.
Then we can replace it with something small and useful.
For example, I leave my phone across the room while I work.
That simple change removes the temptation without needing endless willpower.
The next line I want to explore is patient penguins practice daily.
I like that one because patience and practice work well together.
People sometimes practice intensely for one day and then disappear for a week.
That used to be my exercise plan.
A short daily effort is often easier to maintain than one exhausting session.
It also helps a skill feel natural instead of unfamiliar.
That is especially true when learning pronunciation.
10 focused minutes each day can improve difficult sounds over time.
And missing one day does not mean the routine is ruined.
You simply return the next day and continue.
Patience keeps us calm, while practice keeps us moving.
Those two ideas can improve almost any part of life.
Now let's try the next 8 tongue twisters.
Curious crabs create new paths.
Steady sheep survive storms.
Daring dolphins dive deeper.
Mindful mice make wise moves.
Loyal llamas lift others.
Restless rabbits rarely reflect.
Grateful geese greet each day.
Humble hawks hear helpful advice.
The next line I want to explore is curious crabs create new paths.
Curiosity can push us beyond the routines that feel safe.
I once took a different route home and discovered a beautiful walking track.
That sounds better than my discoveries, which are usually new cafes.
New paths do not always need to involve a major life change.
They can begin with a new class, a new conversation, or a different approach.
Curiosity gives us permission to explore without knowing the final result.
The other line worth exploring is mindful mice make wise moves.
That one reminds me to pause before reacting.
A short pause can stop an emotional message from becoming a bigger problem.
I sometimes write a reply, wait a minute, and then remove half of it.
That is a wise habit because strong feelings can make small issues look enormous.
Mindfulness does not make every decision perfect, but it helps us respond more clearly.
Curiosity opens new paths, and mindfulness helps us choose our next step.
Well done for completing all 15 tongue twisters.
You do not need to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and notice which sounds need more practice.
Speak out loud and let the rhythm become easier.
See you in the next lesson.